Syakatuk kubor mentaga janmin. Syuaban pai syaki kubor ki babaniak ini page syai kimat bakongsan. Pan Menteri Rangba Gajala Ukonrat ki sangma ya ka kaipot ka babaniak halor gajingja tanggali hasilong. Let tep kerteng ukertong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 James Sangma na kabenta ke election Rajya Sabha. Pentikna ke sarkar pedeng bagaji shalan ya ke umpniang LPG bat kiwe kadang biang hakeleng ki benta jangkari wat hapdeng gijinglong jingman ha West Asia. Bat yo ka Meghalaya ya kanam la du habaro gijing rekai jong ka National Youth Muay Thai Championship ka bahnyo ha Uttarakhand. Mentang ini pai syua syaki kubor nak leng gajala. Menteri Rangba Gajala Ukonrat ki sangma henne kasi ula ong ba udang ap ya ka kaipot ka babnia ha ka bayade bat kajing sya thang chungki kali ha ki chaka ba pher chong ka shalong ha ba jubab ya kajing kali shakilat pathai kubor Menteri Rangba Gajala ula ong ba unsapan ya ka kaipot ka basai ha shwa ba unshim ya kanu karai ula ong ba kat kum kajing tip balayo hadu menta kani kajing cha ka penpau ba kam dei ka kam ka babu jingma ya ka shongsuk shongsan. Usangma ula banrap ba kani gajingja kadai kabom dan jingade bat ke aka bat ula pentikna ba ka sarkar kan sakmi bnia hadian balayo pediang ya ka kaipon.
What?
That is what we are asking. Is it the law and order?
No, I'm not. I have not got the full reports on this. It may have been there, but I mean, yesterday I was out in lunch program, and then I had gone to YJ, so I have not sat down with my team. I have not got the reports yet. Maybe the reports must have come in writing to the house. I have not been able to check that. So yeah, it could be there. I'll find out what's happening, and then maybe later on I can explain to you. But there is, I mean, it doesn't look like any major law and order as such as you mentioned, because definitely the news would have come. So it could be a isolated issue, incident, but I'll definitely look into it. Thank you.
Menteri Rangba Gajala Ukonrat ki sangma henne gasi ula ong bagijing thau bat gajing penya ya ka seng san perthai ka don kam omtang ya gajing sedang ya gajing ki pajba lani ya ka campaign haba ajubab ya gajing kali halor ki samla nong tap vote bat ki seng san perthai ba mi thamai ula ong ba ki seng san perthai ki dei ban long ki bala sandur kat kum bala bu renti da kariti sensyar khadar jongkari. Menteri Rangba Gajala ula ong baka social media kala long karensan kabadon bor bha kaba penyaso ikipat ba bat kimat ba pher Henry ula banjur pat ba gajing ki kadai tang gajing sedang bat gajing yai lenti jongka syakmat kalong kabajingai usangma ula ong ru ba gajing penyat ya kaseng san perthai kadawa ya gajing yai ne gajing scam bat karukom penyat ka baklan ula ong ru ba gajing tencu bashisha ya kaseng san perthai ka syong ha gajing la jongka banyale ban chakri bha ya ki pat ba.
I really have no real comments on the political party as such, because party requires an organization. Party requires a certain base and certain constitutional aspects. So I think as and when the party builds up into an organization, only then we'll be able to comment. Right now, yes, there is a certain wave, and that happens in today's world. Social media is very powerful, and so it is very possible to connect to different issues and different programs or different stands that different individuals may take. But a political party is beyond, just a movement that is to be there. The movement is the beginning. So therefore, there's a long way to go. So we'll have to wait and watch and see how things happen, how they shape up. As I said, running a political organization is not so simple. There are a lot of challenges, and I think the consistency and the stability and how you are able to run the party in the long run is really what matters.
Unong yalam ke NPP James PK Sangma hen nagasi ulalej ban thep kerteng ban yakun nagajala haki election cheke yeng dorbar Rajya Sabha da ke jingkershan chungi sengsan rob chong ke MDE haba ai jingkran hadien chung ke jinglet thep kerteng usangma ula ai khuble yeki nong shong shnong gajala yaki sengsan rob bad yeki nong yalam chungi party na ka benta ke jing ai jingkershan chungki ya u kum ukartong ula ong babun kimat ki bakong san jong gajala ki shu sateng bad ki don kam ban yakren ha ka yeng dorbar jong kari usangma ula kular ba unsami khmat na ka benta ke jingba jong gajala ha ka yeng dorbar Rajya Sabha ula pen paru i ke jingthmu ban pendepura ya ka samoi trekam ka ba henrius nem jong ka Rajya Sabha.
First of all, very grateful to the people of Meghalaya and also especially to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Conrad Sangma, all the Deputy Chief Ministers, both of them, Ba Preston and Bas Neobha, all our Honorable Ministers, our MLAs, and also our alliance partners from the UDP, the HSPDP, the BJP and the Independents for having supported my candidature to the Council of States Rajya Sabha, and I will look at how many of the issues, both which have been pending for a long time, and also issues which we as a state must collectively look at navigating in the future. These are the issues that I intend to be very vocal about in the upper house in Rajya Sabha. So that the voice of Meghalaya can be heard in the parliament in Rajya Sabha.
Menteri Ketenat Kekoi Kekia uba Wailat Miki Shela ulalej menjurib ia ka Umulong Community Health Center hadin ke jing yo jing menjur na kabenta ke jing penhe ia ka Shaka Integrated Hospital. Ya kani ka project ansashna ha ke jing lut ka ba san phulai klur tingka. Ha kani ke jing let jurib ia ka jaka lasan ranlang ya menteri da kinong trei jong ketenat ki engineer bat kinong yalam shnong. Uba Shela ula ong ba kani ke jing let jurib la penlong knang banyo pen kre ya ka kaipot ka babnia jong ka project bat banyo penya chakmat ya ke jing khot tenda uba Shela ula pen pau ya ke jing kermen ba anla ban stang no shen ya ka kam na ka benta ke jing mentoi jong ki pat ba kani ka hospital ka bala pen he kan sa ai jing shakri ya ki nong shong shnong jong ka thala scan bat nam dong CNRD blong
แต่อยู่ไลน์อินสเปกหลังนี้มันกันกับ health engineering วินแต่เนเธอร์แลนด์สปอตขนังอยู่ ready นอกดีกับ DPR ขนังอยู่ยอดนอกคนเดียวกันเลยเนี่ยว่าก็จริงกว่าที่ง่าว่าสตังมา as soon as possible อย่างนี้เด็บจะกว่าเลยมุดมาอย่างสังกัดชมมันเลยก็เป็นเด็บอยากกัดเวลากัดว่า smart เนี่ยว่ากว่าอีกเอา inaugurate ในเตา upgrade อีกอย่างนึงกับ CHC ใช่กับ integrated hospital และนี่นะครับ30 bedded to 50 bedded hospital อันนี้ก็ CHC มัน center พักนี่พะมันเซ็นเตอร์พาก็สุขพาก็ทำตามกับ connectivity แต่หมดช่วงลายยิบรูชักcivilian ลงและนี่ช่วงปอยกิจก MCH จอยแต่อยู่ที่ต่อที่ pass through ดีกับ CHC อุโมงค์แต่นี่ที่ดาวอยู่ต่อ location wise ยังพาก็คือใช้วินและ cater ก็อยู่ที่ area ก็ทาร์สเกน area ชิคกี้พายคำอยู่ในกันนำดงเพราะมันระดับไปยี่กี่ data รับมันอยู่รับดูมุดke hawro ki scheme la ne ga kini ki data la dapat ki mat guna ha kani te daw mkam upun klan ya kani ka either infrastructure la ni manpower yang tinggi area cakap
MLA kan Nongston uba Gabriel Walang ula sam ya kajinga rapisa shikibriu ki baduna khotmet bad shikiriu tamen ki bala propose nem shening ha ka program ka bala penlong ha Bishop Hall Nongston ha kani ka program la sakhi ya kijingwan ni shimbenta chong buon ki nong yo jingmentoi na keleng chong ka Nongston constituency ki noyalam chong ka National People's Party bad ki weiru kilaya don benta ha kani ka program haba ajing kren hagni kasngi uba walang ulapen pau yigijing snowkia halor kijing bagi riu temen kimat ha ka baki haban beteng yigijing bala jumki wat habalano kartaru ulaya thu bamenta kilaya le ban ithu ya baro kitemen kisan ki ba propose nem sheneng bat ban pentikna bagi jingarap ken poi shaman kinong yo jingmentoi ki badei hok ban yo MLA ulapen tiknaru ban ai jingkershan yikibriu ke baduna dekhotmet wat la kemdon ya kasernot ban penshisha ya kijing duna jongki
Tama na ba bandung sisim bagi dia itu bagi dia kata jingi kendo bagi kita kita propose nem kita katnom ha kan ni kan nonstop konsumsi beri kerja. Teman-teman ini bagi dalam kat ni malah lek lek. Bak kan ni kecil lek cuma kambing om ba gile tangan ni. Itu di bom syam pulayo lagi dari disable kembali ba dunan khotmat lagi dari ba proposal ngilawan hamman lagi senang manlek. Nanlek hamman lagi senang. Lada himpadon nakal lesro waktu selai hin sayobe. Kamdon uwairu ubaong bang nangyo. Lada bidon certificate ne bidon ro hin yo be baro. Nama bateng teng yo kamdon certificate namla yo. Ada ko bi don ro abalai ninayo ya baro.
Yaka World Food Safety Day la rakhi Haribhoi District Henegasngi daka program bala penlong ha Science Hall Hanongpo. Yaka ni ka program la penlong ha po kapang pedeng from burden to solution, safe food everywhere. Knang ban kan tiye ye kicing pen te pai ba halor kicing shingan chung ki marbam bat ka kwat ka khia chung ki pai ba. Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi Dr. Abhishek Saini ulapen pau ye kicing don kam ban pentikna ye kicing shingan kicing khuat bat kicing tei chung kicing bam na ka benta kinong thiet nong pen. Ula ban rap ru ba kicing shingan chung kicing bam ka shong ha kicing ket kli lang hap deng ki bor badek mi bat ki nong shna bat nong pen mi ye kicing bam. Kum shibenta chung kani ka program saupo arwut ki nong shna ban nong pen mi e ki marbam ki la sha pen kup buram na ka benta ka jingla chung ki ban buat ye ki kendon pen mi jingbam. Kani ka program ka pen shdoru ya ki rukom pen mi jingbam ki babyang knang ban pentikna ye ki jingbam ka bashingan na ka benta baro.
But I think food safety is something that should come from within, from your side. And each one of us, when we go to a restaurant or to a dhaba, the first thing we want to ensure is that the food is hygienic, clean, and cooked in a proper environment. That is non-negotiable. Rest other things can be little up or down, maybe lighting or all. That is okay. But if there is no food safety, then the persons will not like to eat there. So I would urge all the food business operators to take this as a moral responsibility rather than something that we should be enforcing or we should be telling you. This should come from your side that my restaurant, my dhaba, my hotel should have the most hygienic, the cleanest food possible.
Lasam yaki life away tili ki computer shaki life away tili ki area employment council kanongpo constituency henegasi hapo ka Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan scheme. Yaki ni ki computer Lasam da UMLA kanongpo uba mineral bonds im ha ka jinga don lang jinginong tray ka block bat kinong ilam shnong. Ka Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Abhiyan scheme katmu ban pen klan ya kurukam senchar shnong bat ban pen bha yaki jing pen trekam yaki program jong ka sarkar. Kani ka scheme ka kentiru yaki kampen roy haki jakan nong kendong bat ka ai jing yarap yaki shnong ban penyo yaki jing don kam jongki kini ki computer kan yarap yaki shnong haki kam ba pher lakmi lanti ba kani ka sinjam kan pen bha yak rukom senchar shnong bat kan yarap haki kampen roy jong ka shnong.
Kita cipun kini ki program di baga sarkar pedeng kapan terekam dan di balala ban penurlong dan di balalong dan di panlong dan di terekam mentah dan di keladep dan mentah semara tahu ini harus nipik ya keteng di AEC mentah dan juga function itu ada dalam direct village employment council VEC di cuma awal kata ru kini di set up kabala slab ini bersama cuak agaba hab ban pendep ya ini program skim hotel iba ka sarkar kadan ban poi ban persuk na ka benda jom ki VEC EAC ban terekam komputer komputer printer na dia ban type dia ban print dia ban terekam dia report dia kemudian di ikut Islam bagi suku lagi diterekam ke sarkar gelap ke sarkar pedeng mentah kita pun harus paperwork.
Ya ka mausen ram bat sora shen ansapanya so leng ba ka surok bat gejingking nalor kawa umyam u MLA ka Mausan Ram uba Olan Singh Sun ula ong bagani ka project kan ajing arab ban penyaso bat penduna ya kapor ha kalet kawan ha pedeng kini ki artali ki jaka ula pentep bakasurok plang wan broy ranikor la pentre shat hapo gajing bay tingka da ka World Bank kat ba ya kasurok wailoi plang wan broy dangdon hapo gajing khot tender balakmi lenti ban shim ya karai hashwa ubanai jeliu uba sun ula penpau wi gajing scam bagi ni ki project ansala ban pendep hapo ka shisnam lani arsnam ban wan ula banjur bagi ni ki surok ki babha kin tiu wi gajing wan kinong jengok kai bat ya ka kamai ka jiru kumju.
That Mausanram and Shirapunji should be connected directly. It is not that we have to go through the southern fringe or the northern fringe of the. We have to see that these should be connected directly from Mausanram to Shirapunji. And this matter I have discussed also with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, President Tensong, 2 days before, that I want to see that this road, Shirapunji and Mausanram, should be connected through Dosao Road. Dosao to Nawar. For on either side, if these roads can reach up to both of the river banks, it can only be connected by the bridge. So once this bridge can be constructed, then Shirapunji and Mausanram can be connected directly through Dosao and Nawar. So this, I wish that it should happen one day. Then we can see the flow of tourists. And if this happens, then Shirapunji and Mausanram will become one circuit.
Mentang niya pa shiki kubor na kaleng katan sa tay lamingi. Ka kenhuan jang ki he nong yalam jang ka European Union ka team Europe kalawan poi ha kuwahati mentakasngi na ka benta gajingwan chingo ka baar sngi ban pen klan ye gajinga trailang bat katan chtai la mingi jang kari kani gajingwan chingo katmu ban pen scam ye gajinga trailang ha gilyang bapher kat kum ki mat trekam kabalaya menjer lang hapding jang ke India bat ka European Union kajing ekren kan pai kmat segitanat trekam ki bakenthop ya ka renewable energy ki jingtei hagi jakasor katanat ajing sumar ki semiconductor kajing penmi ya ki tiar electronic ki marrep kum uslasha bat ka ayush kani ka kenhuan ka kenthop ya ki nong ra tin sim bat ki nong mi kmat nagiri ki balong dekhot jong ka European Union haringkat bat ki nong sengkam ka Europe kani gajingwan katmuru banwat bania yakilat ban beitingka bat ban pen klan ye gajinga trailang na kabenta kayo kakot hakeleng ke benta kathan chatei lamingi ya kani ka kenhun lalam da u airway delfan unong ratin sim jong ka European Union sha India bat Bhutan.
It's my third visit in Assam. It's as the slogan says, is the gateway to goodness. So I really like this place, and I look forward to the meetings we're going to have with the CM. And thank you.
Kaying bishar bakerpang na kabenta gijing ucor bayadei bat ka National Investigation Agency ladaban pli ha Manipur. Kani kaying bishar la thau knang ban pen klan ya kurukam bishar hong bat ban pen tikna ya gijing bishar ka pasted halor gijing ucor ki bayadei bat ka NIA ha gajala. Ki he badai pet kila ong bakani ka sinjam ka pen pau ye gijing ele ban wanra ye gijing shingan jongkari ban pen yo ye gijing bishar hok bat ye ki kendon an kani gijing pli perda ka longru kum umau jam bakrau ha gijing ele ban pen bha ya gijing bishar ha Manipur lala ban pen trei kam ya kani ka project da gijing e trei lang jong ka sarkar pedeng ka sarkar jala bat ka high court kibor badai khmi kila ong bakani ka ying bishar kan don ya ka benta ka bakong san ban pen bha ya ka rukam ai jing bishar ha ka jala mentangin ya phai sheki khubor na ka lengkari ka sarkar pedeng kala pentikna ba kajing penpoi ya ko umpnyang LPG but natural gas kadang biang hakeleng ki benta jongkari wad ha pedeng gijing longjing man ha West Asia u additional secretary jong katanat petroleum but natural gas u Praveen Khanuja ula ong ba ki mar ki biang bat omdon kanu ka kai phot banduna kajing sam yiki tendong LPG kat kum gajing ya thu jong u gajing penmi ya ki tendong LPG kalan nang ken tio hakari hakaba ki karkhana ki penmi kamba sanpho ar hadu sanpho lai hajar metric
had any news of dry out at LPG distributorships. LPG backlogs have now reached less than 4 days. Online LPG cylinder bookings have reached 99% and DAC, delivery authentication code, is about 96%.
Kasorkar pedeng gala pentikna bakam don kanu gajing ha gajing yo ye kidawai swo na kabenta bantung ye gajing thong ha ka ayam slam ki officer kila pentip bai kinong rep kila dat banthit prabun rio point rio san lak metric ton kidawai swo gajing pendon kami kisbo jong gijing ri kala ki stat ba ha ka ba gajing thiet kala kot shaka khatway point iwe nyo lak metric ton ha ka habayanu jor bat gajing thiet ba menchem snam ka balong lai point ar not lak metric ton kajing penmi ya gijing ri bat gajing shalan ye kidawai sbo kadang ya chakman ha ka ba shispa sapunyo point sau not lak metric ton la penmi bat shalan hadu menta palat apusan hajar metric ton kajing shalan ya kadawai urea DAP bat NPK kalapoi hakat lieng menta ubenai kat ba katenda na ka benta khat nyo lak metric ton kadawai urea dang khmi benia dakibor badai pen.
Total of the purchase of fertilizer has been about 86.65 lakh metric ton for the ongoing Kharif. That is approximately 22.57% of the total requirement. Besides, I would like to apprise that the farmers have also procured 11.17 lakh metric ton of organic manure in the season compared to 3.20 LMT during the corresponding. It's a positive trend towards greater adoption of the organic nutrient sources.
Mentangin ya pai shiki kubor na keleng ke perthai. Ukpa bakhoi pop Leo bakhat saw ulai kendu ya menteri rang badu ke Spain u Pedro Sanchez hashwa ba un ai jingkran hakasien ka beningkong ha ka yeng dorbar ha Spain menta kasni ha kani ke jinglet yuk chat chung u ka ba shitayo u pop ulai kendu iki pedwer bat ki brew ki bam don yeng don sem bat ula khot la wer ban don ke jingetali ka we ha ka imlang salang ha ka ju kapor ula kentu iki no yalam chongki seng san perthai ban kiar na ka chingpen ya phia ha ka imlang salang kani ka jingla yuk chat chung u kan kut da ka jingkendu ya ki pedwer ha Canary Island kabadai ka chakarung chingki pedwer ki batmu ban poi sha deuba Europe ka sorkar Spain dangshan kala pelait ya ka program bala penyat da ka sorkar ka ba ailat ya ki hajar ngot ki pedwer ban yo ya kalat ban apply kum unong song bapura ha ka imlang salang. Unong kitins im jong ke Iran sha Russia u Gazam Jalali ula ong ba ka Strait of Hormuz kan plebet Henry tang hapo gajing menjur bathamai ka ban ajing menjur da ka Iran bat Oman katkum gajing ong jong u Gazam ki chat ki bayat lenti na ki haban sew ya ka bayrung na ka banta gijing shakri bala ai da kini ki ari ka Strait of Hormuz kadai ka cha ka ya jing ki chat ka ba he tam ha ka parthai ka umpniang bat ka natural gas ki batuit leng ba chongka kila shakta shibun na kadaw ka jinga kan at bat ka Iran mentang ya phai shiki khubor ya le kai u President Jong Meghalaya Cricket Association u James P.K. Sangma mentakasni ulaong bagi kam kijam kidang ya shai na kabenta ban seudep ya katulab badang sateng kabalakta ya kinong tray jong ka MCA ulaong ba ka association kalaya kren labun sen ha kabayade bat kimat kibakta jer ya karukam trekam jongka u James ula pentikna bala shimi kilat kilanti na kabenta ban seudep no kamkloy ya katulab badang sateng jong kinong tray Halor kajing keno ba kaladon kajing jerongkti yaki kentai hapo ka association ula benrap ba ka internal complaints committee kadai ban shimkia halor kani kabenta. Ula benrap ba ka MCA kadang up ya ka kaipot na ka Meghalaya State Women's Commission hakabaya day bat kani kajing ja.
This is an internal matter of the MCA. Of course, I don't shy away from the fact that there are problems. These are problems which have been going on for a very long time, legacy issues. And because of those kind of challenges and those kind of problems that, certain processes have come to a stop. But we expect to resolve all those kind of problems and issues at the earliest so that, the salaries can be addressed. I'm very, very concerned about the staff, be it the support staff or the office staff. So we are trying very hard to ensure that we can resolve that at the earliest.
Kamuai Thai Association of Meghalaya Kalapan Kuburom ya kinong elekai kibalala ban elekai bha haka UMAI National Youth Muay Thai Championship kabahnyo kabala long ha Uttarakhand nadu ka shitarik hadu ka santarik mentau benai kaken huan na Meghalaya kabadon hadu an ripo khandai ngut kalala ban yo khur hadu shispa nyo tali ki takma bakan thop ya saupho tali ki takma ksiar sapu sau tali ki takma rupa ban arphulai tali ki takma rnong lengba gajingla banyele kaibha Meghalaya kalalong kajela kabajab bun tali kitakma naki wepat ki arp khundai tali gijela ki balai shimbenta ya kajing itu kerpang layo da kasamla Alfonsa Zinia Uryang kabala yo Korea katakmar nong na India haka Asian Youth Games kabalalong ha Bahrain ka Alfonsa kalapan kreru na kabenta ban mi khmat ya ke India haka IFMA Youth Muay Thai World Championship kabanlong ha Greece mentausnem ka association kalapan tip bakan yai pen kre ikinoi lekai na kabenta ki Jacob hadin habud bakan top ru ya ke National Games
Tana kalian ka Muay Thai Association Meghalaya ikna ngile lepha ngilayo yu gol saupotuli ban ngilayo yu silver saupusau ban ngilayo ru yu bronze kumar plaiteli total medal kalong shispa laiteli dengan so bagade kesin kemenkong bana kaliang jong ka Muay Thai Association kat banang mi kipor kat bani ya kipor nakawai kat tournament sakawai kat tournament ngai baki kena jungi kidon pedang kajing baki improve mo nginang kio kemudian pedia kajing tebet kajing lekan Muay Thai nang mi banang kat banang ya kipor kemudian yo ya kalat nang la ban gerak ban sei kena kinoi lekai tuan rak kena berkuburam
timen tapat ini pej iging long jingman ka swing beneng hakeleng ki benta jong kajela Hatura kajing kreat kalong 8 degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong 9 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong 9 na kashispa haba phai pat chanong ba shilong kajing kreat kalong khat pra degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong 8 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong praposau na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong 1.9 mm kat ba hajowai kajing kreat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius bat kajing shet kalong 8 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong nyopopra na kashispa kajing hap slap kalong 9.2 mm kala bandon kajing hap slap hakibabun kijaka hatura Shillong bat jawai Shwa ban poi sha ka bakut jang ka thup khubor ngin yapet biang sa shisen yakimat bakongsan Pan Umentri Rangba Gajala Ukonrat ke Sangma yang kakai pot ke babania halur gajingja thangkali Shillong Let tep kerteng ukertong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 u James Sangma na kabenta ke election Rajya Sabha. Pentikna ka sorkal pedeng ba gajing shalan ya ka umpniang LPG bat kiwe kadang biang hakeleng ke benta jangkari wat hapedeng gajing long jingman ha West Asia. บัดยอกามิคาเลียยากานามละดูฮาบารอกิจิงเลกายจังกัน National Youth Muay Thai Championship กับบัดเนียวฮาอุตราคันตีปารลอกกตุนิลาปอยชากบกุดจังกทุบขบวนจิงีมันตากจันเมียนฮาดูบังเงินเดยเชมเบียงบัดพีละชายกสงีขบเรพีบารอ